everyone, I'm back here again. So yeah, I've taken a bit of a break. I've gone on a overseas trip and I just got back, and I just want to get cracking into it. I want to put out more videos. It's harder than I thought, but I'm going to persevere. I want to finish these last two videos on productivity, and then after that I want to do another big video where I talk about the whole book on Atomic Habits. That's just going to be one big long video, and hopefully wrap up this this series on Atomic Habits. I will be summarizing more books, and I will get to the whole dating part. Still not come to that yet, but that's going to be really juicy. I will also do a few movie breakdowns too, and hopefully you'll enjoy my content. Again, like, share and subscribe.
To create a good habit, make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Habit: drinking more water. Make it obvious. Place a water bottle or a glass of water on your desk or in a visible spot at home. Set specific times during the day as cues to drink water, such as right after waking up, before meals, and before bedtime. Make it attractive. Add natural flavor by infusing your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries. Use a stylish or personalized water bottle that you enjoy using. Track your daily water intake and reward yourself when you reach your hydration goals. Habit: exercising regularly. Make it obvious. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Set a recurring calendar reminder for your exercise sessions. Make it attractive. Choose an exercise routine that you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. Work out with a friend or join a group class to make it a social activity. Reward yourself after a workout with a healthy smoothie or a relaxing bath. Habit: reading more books. Make it obvious. Place a book you want to read on your bedside table. Set a goal to read a certain number of pages or chapters each day. Make it attractive. Find books on topics that genuinely interest you. Create a cozy reading nook with comfortable seating and good lighting. Join a book club or discussion group to make reading a social and engaging activity. Habit: eating healthier snacks. Make it obvious. Keep healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or cut up veggies at an eye level in your fridge or pantry. Remove unhealthy snacks from your immediate environment. Make it attractive. Experiment with different healthy snack recipes to find ones you enjoy. Portion out snacks in advance to make them more convenient. Share your healthier snack choices on social media or with friends to receive positive feedback and encouragement.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and on the next video I'm going to be talking about how to make unattractive habits difficult. And that will be the last video wrapping up the Atomic Habits series. On my next video following that, I hope to do one big long video on the whole of Atomic Habits, and hopefully deliver some value to you. I will be talking about other things too, possibly a movie review or something like that. So hopefully you enjoy it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.